Welcome, you're with Chris at Car Cave in Aiken, South Carolina. We're doing a walk around video of a 1969 Chevy Corvette 427 4-speed 390 horsepower L36. Actually had this car since 1999 and it's time to let it go to a new home. So it's been here in climate controlled storage, gets driven occasionally. So we'll walk through the whole thing. We got some of the build book down there, excellent condition, professional restoration. Our website's carcaveusa.com. Phone number is 803-262-4742. If you need any financing, reach out. We work with a variety of different lenders. We can get you hooked up on financing side. So call us and we'll take care of it. There's a bunch of us here that answer the phone. We don't necessarily have sales staff, but we got a lot of staff. Our cars speak for themselves, so I don't need a whole sales team. This one, if you're interested in a C3, it's one of the best on the market. If not the best, you know, it's the little things. It was actually restored by Corvette Conspiracy in Cleveland, Ohio. My Johnny Drahos up there, which is a cousin of my dad's. So he did Corvettes since 1970. You know, look at door alignment, door gaps, T-tops, bumpers, you know, hood alignment, the whole thing, it's there. Factory car was a 4-speed, air conditioning, power windows, side pipes. Everything was taken back, you know, even AC compressor, you go under the hood. Everything was taken back to how it would have left the factory. You look at the belts, the numbers on them. There's some subtle upgrades. You get underneath, it has upgrade suspension, some motor internals. I know we just put on a new fuel pump because the old one was leaking a little bit, and I did change it off of factory because the factory ones were known to leak, and whatever the part supplier is now. The paint work, I believe we paid $22,000 for the paint work back in the day when it was done. Did one road trip from Chattanooga to Panama City Beach, then put it in the garage when we got there. So Dad and I did that road trip. You look at the tires that they were put on when it was restored. You can tell it's been in climate controlled because of the condition of the tires too. You know, they're older than 5 years old, but there's no dry rotting or cracking in it. Our building, as you can see, there's an air conditioner up here. It's been here the last 8 years, I think. Before that, when I was in Chattanooga, she's over here wandering around. It was in the garage. In his basement was also climate controlled. So I think it might have been a little bit stored in a garage, not climate controlled between moving around. The paint is in exceptional condition. Shows real nicely. We just had it fully detailed and did a hybrid ceramic coat, but you see the things like the details of the T-tops there, the doors, underneath the hood, and we can get you pictures of it up on the lift. All the bright work, chrome, you know, window door. You can see the symmetry going around on the hood. We do have some ducklings in here, so if you hear some chirping, that's what that is. We'll go inside the car too. T-tops, the back window does roll out. I saw some fingerprints on it, which I didn't get before we filmed. See a couple fingerprints, but window tilts out. T-tops will store in the back. We have the storage bags, the original manual. Marble red on red, 2 sets of GM keys. All the fiber optics are working. I don't think there's anything in this car. Where's the button there? Tilt the seat forward. I'm missing it. After owning this car for so long, I should know where it is. I know where it is on the driver's side. We'll go around. I'm just looking at the overall condition here as we go around. Put the tag on it to take it out for pictures. Flap here in the gas tank. You can see everything is clean. We just went through and did some work to it just because it's been we've been driving a lot recently, so we went through and rebuilt a caliper, repacked some bearings, went to some spindles, a couple other things. Fully road ready. There's the handle there. Sorry. Trying to get it with bags. See right here, so you can hold your glass. We'll go ahead and go in the car. I think out of imperfections, I've noticed a little minute stress crack in the fiberglass right there, which is normal. I think there's one paint chip. Let's see, one right there. There you go, there's another one. But all around it shows extremely well. Glass is in impeccable shape. And it's totally cold. Touch the side pipe. Tilt steering wheel. And someone has left the key in the off position, so hopefully she is not dead. Grab the clutch real quick. Vacuum systems work properly. Let's look at the roof. D-tops come off easily. Sounded like thunder out there. And we'll go back to the restoration book here. So give me just a second. I see got a nice Callaway over here. Old Landy, do a lot of Land Rovers, Land Cruisers. Full rotisserie body off restoration. So we have a format that was in it. So there's the car to start with. Johnny retired. He lives down in Hilton Head, so he's not too far away from us, but the shop is in Cleveland. So he's accessible if we need to know anything about the build. Like I said, he'd done the whole thing since the 70s. Scan all these pictures. I'm just kind of flipping through so you get an idea. But they tore it all down. So, fully documented body off restoration. So it did take Johnny some time to get it done, but he does beautiful work. So the car is dialed in. So yeah, there it is. If you have any, excuse me, if you have any questions, go ahead and reach out. It's carcaveusa.com. Phone number is 803-262-4742. Whole team here will be able to answer. We can get you some undercarriage photos, whatever you need. If you have any questions, ask for anybody here. We'll be able to run you through the car. I'm guessing it's gonna be the nicest C3 on the market. I haven't seen any event I've gone to that have been this nice and that good a condition. So, like I said, reach out. This car's not gonna last long. We are here for you. Thanks for watching.